Real quickly, this is an easy fix. This is the GMC Yukon, didn't have the 04. Same from I think 2000, 2006. You notice it tries to go up and down, up and down. Really easy to not pop off. Shut the truck off. You can use tuner cleaner or mass airflow sensor cleaner. They're both basically the same. Our local Menards, Home Depot has them. Spray as much as you can in there. Do not use carburetor cleaner or brake fluid. That's a no-no. And you can try to stick a straw if you want. And just go like that. This stuff dries real quick. So carburetor cleaner and brake cleaner will make a mess. And there it goes. Going up automatically, not down. Instantly. That's your 1 minute fix. Here's what I use. This is, you can get this AutoZone too and stuff like that. It's about $6 to $10, and you can clean out your mass airflow sensors with it. I don't know if we have a part number for this. CRC 599C. Thank you for watching.